Welcome to Xpertstec. In this video, I am going to install Android Phoenix operating system with Windows 10 in dual boot. I am here using a regular ISO image of this Phoenix operating system flashed on a USB disk, rather than an executable file, which meant for Windows platforms and works exactly like other Windows software. Download Android Phoenix operating system. After downloading Phoenix operating system, go to Download folder and double-click to run the Phoenix operating system exe installer file. Click the Install button to install Phoenix operating system on Windows. Select the drive or partition to install Android Phoenix operating system. I am installing on D drive. Please note, Phoenix operating system will install in a folder created by its own name in D drive and will not delete or format your existing partition. After selecting the partition, click on the Next button. Select data size for Phoenix operating system installation and then click the Install button. Wait for a few minutes to complete the installation. After the installation completed successfully, save your current work and then click on Reboot Now option. When you reboot your system, Windows 10 Boot Manager menu will appear, which also will feature an option for Phoenix operating system. Click on it to boot our newly installed Phoenix operating system. Phoenix operating system screen comes up. Welcome to Phoenix operating system. Select the language and then click Next. Select Accept to accept the user license agreement. On the network connection, click Next. Type a Phoenix operating system account name and then click Finish. Once the setup is finished, you will see your Phoenix operating system ready to use. If you wonder how to uninstall the Phoenix operating system, then simply again boot into your Windows 10 operating system from the OS selection Windows Boot Manager menu, and then again double-click to run the Phoenix operating system exe file. Select the Uninstall button. It will ask you if you are sure to uninstall the Phoenix operating system. Select Yes button. Android Phoenix operating system has been uninstalled successfully. Click OK button. If you face any problem, leave your comment on the comment section. If you want to purchase this service, contact us on WhatsApp or email address. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to our channel for more solutions. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.